Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish, and welcome to the Artist Haven, where home plus art equals heart. In today's video, I am going to do a Dutch pour using an airbrush versus a hairdryer. Let's see how the results turn out, and see if I like the control of this better. I got all of my paints ready, so let's get down to it. Hi, my name's Tish, and I am the owner and artisan of Happenstance Furniture and Sundries. So, what I got here is Artist Loft White mixed with Floetrol and water. This is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Pink. I can't read my own handwriting. I think that's a U and not an A. So, tourmaline? I don't know, I can't read my own handwriting. That's awful. But that's what this is. And then Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I don't know why I'm shaking them again. And then Artist Loft Metallic Bronze. And then I've got my custom purple here that I want to do. So plan of action is to pour the white on there and puddle the colors, and then we're going to blow it with the airbrush instead of using a hair dryer. Oh, this is a Neo Air airbrush, and I do believe this is, yep, this is a Iwata dual action airbrush. I'm not going to put any paint in the cup. I'm just going to leave it be air. I bought this to use with cake decorating, but I never got that far, and I figured I'll use it for painting and just buy another one for when I get my house and I have a full kitchen and I can actually decorate a cake. This has 3 settings. It starts off at medium, goes up to high, and then a low, if I remember correctly. We'll find out when we start blowing stuff around. So the instructions are buried somewhere in the office, and I don't have the gumption to go look for them. So let's pour this white on here. Okay. Let's find the torch. I'm going to start off with the bronze. Just like that. Okay, now the white goes around. Okay, here goes nothing. I'm going to start it off on what I think. It's a really hard thing when you're used to like pulling back to distribute the paint. It's really hard not to just pull back. I can't tell. Okay, yep. The middle one is hot, so let's go for it. You know what? I really don't like this up here. So we're going to blow most of this off. Put a little bit of white in there. Alright, well, if that stays the way I like it there, let's torch this. Find a glove here. I'm going to keep my hands relatively clean today. And we're going to do a wipe off. Let that sit for about 20 minutes and then we'll come back for our close-up. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. I got sucked into a live. But when other people are doing art, you just gotta watch. It's like art porn. But this, I think, turned out really well, considering. Oh, there we go. I love all the little cells in there and the big cells. And there is no dimethicone or silicone in the paint. But I'm going to set this out to dry, and if you want to see the dried result, join me Tuesday evenings after I post the video. I always go live and show the dried result of all the paintings that I do. If you found value in this video, please click the like button. And if you like this video and like to see more like these, please click the subscribe button and click that notification bell, and that'll let you know when we post new content or go live on our channel. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and happiness.